What's going on, everyone? So Web3 is exciting to me because it reminds me of World of Warcraft. I used to play video games, I still play video games, and I would level up a character and sell them to other people. Now with Web3, we can actually own those digital assets and sell them instead of going around the TOS or terms of service, and it's actually encouraged. So I can't wait to share all about gaming in the Web3 space. Let's get into it. Welcome back, everyone. So there are multiple games from Thena to Pentagon to Splenterlands and even My Neighbor Alice. All these you can have real ownership in the game by purchasing NFTs and tokens. For example, in My Neighbor Alice, you can actually purchase Alice tokens that can be used to purchase in-game items, staking for rewards. So as you can see, they have a whole marketplace here where you can buy and trade different lands, animals, items, equipables. It's just digital assets that actually have value to them versus a perceived value in the Web2 space. Splinter Cell, which is a card trading game where you go back and forth and play against each other with cards. And each of these cards have a particular skill or attribute to them. As you can see, all about the gameplay, the rewards, but you can sell these different cards on the open market. So this one's going for a penny. If we scroll down, let's see some of these. And as you can see, you can explore within this game. There is fishing, there's farming, there is so many things you can do to earn and trade within the marketplace. And that leads us to higher level ones. We will actually do some filters. So if we switch to the max level, there's different elements. We can see the price has increased or decreased. This one's going for $600. This one's going for $400. So as you can see, they're just pretty expensive, like a real trading game. It's like getting Pokemon cards or Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Those you can trade at different, in the real world. This is all digital and you own them just like you would as a real Yu-Gi-Oh card or Pokemon card or any of the other trading card games, or even baseball or football or sports cards. And then you can compete for dark energy crystals and look at the rewards. 200,000 rewards for first place. This person got 150, 100,000. Crazy ways to earn within the game just from battling and winning different people. Some big names in the space too with YGG, which is a gaming community. There's KOG. So lots of these guilds are popping up where you can earn within the guild and play. And it's just amazing what they're doing in the Web3 space. Pentagon Games is another one that I'm very excited about. They have a lot of games in the pipeline, but most exciting for me is the VR aspect. They have their own built-in AR to scale, but there's also VR goggles. So if we scroll down here, I actually already have my Quest ready to go. I have my Quest 3 ready for some immersive experiences where I can earn digital rewards within this game, or use the token that they have to actually purchase in-game assets. If it's heroes, if it's other assets to upgrade my character in the VR space, how cool would that be to wear goggles? Or in the it reminds me of Ready Player One. It's pretty much where it's going to. And that leads us with a game that I've loved is Satan Arena. This is a mobile game that you can play. It's fast paced and really reminds me kind of like a Dota, like old school, I guess, upgraded Dota, where it's kind of, or Warcraft 3, where it's this top view, kind of third-party view, and you have different weapons to and skills to upgrade. So as you can see, very fast-paced, and you work with your team to take down the other team. In most of these games, you purchase the in-game currency or win the in-game currency using heroes or NFTs and upgrade your character. Then you can sell those characters on the marketplace. It's an ingenious ecosystem, and I love it. In summary, all of these games are great to own digital assets where you can earn rewards. It reminds me of when I used to lead a team in Axie Infinity. As their manager, we would get them the greatest new NFT, armor, upgrades, ruins, and then use those to battle other players. And as you battle them and you win, you earn more rewards. And those rewards can be used to upgrade your character, to buy other characters, or to make real life money. So this is all you can do with the Web3 space, place to be. So very exciting for the future. And let me know in the comments down below, what games are you playing in the Web3 space? Are you earning a full-time income online, or is it something that you are just dabbling in? Drop them in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.